Hello, welcome back to my gaming channel? Yes, hi, hello, welcome back. No, I'm not turning this channel into a gaming channel, but someone did contact me saying, hey, we make headphones and other stuff, and they wanted me to review these. So, in case you're wondering, they do have the little RGB whatever. For me, that's not a big deal. Let's turn the light back on. I've had these for a while, and I just haven't gotten around to it, and because I've been busy with the family stuff. No one's hurt, I promise, and just taking care of myself. It's not because I've been lazy that I haven't been making videos, but I digress. Point is, got these microphones, and I have had a chance to kind of play with them a little bit. Let's just dive into it, shall we? Did I unnecessarily do a hand covering the lens shot just so I could go get the box? Maybe. The company that contacted me was Jeecoo. It's kind of slightly odd only because of the brand of this microphone, but whatever. These headphones are the Xiberia v20s or Jeecoo stereo gaming headphones. Anyway, I'm choosing to not do a unboxing of this only because it wasn't anything fancy. So what do you get when you get these headphones should you decide to buy them after I tell you my thoughts of them? Obviously you get the headphones with a little microphone, typical gamer headphones, and you'll get this little 3-prong adapter. So this will go into your headphone jack, and then it splits into microphone jack and a headphone jack. Then on the headphones themselves, you have a little controller, you have a volume up down switch, also have a mute switch. So at the end of this cable is probably the thing that annoys me the most. Now keep in mind, I don't really own any gaming headphones, so I don't know if this is typical, but it splits into a USB port and your headphone jack. You don't even need this half the time, because this is the only thing you really need for it to work. Like, you could probably use these as normal headphones on a PC. You don't need that little splitter. This literally only powers the RGB stuff on the side. So if you ask me, one thing that could be easily improved about this is honestly just use one port. The splitter is kind of unnecessary. Like on my Mac, I can plug my Rode VideoMic Pro Plus into my Mac, into the headphone jack, and use it as a microphone. So why can't we just do the same on PCs? I had mentioned these particular headphones to a friend of mine, but he's saying it is possible to put everything into one port. Heck, I wouldn't care if you just put them all into a USB port. I don't remember what his explanation was, but basically the gist of it was you can do audio through a USB port. So, things I didn't entirely know, because I don't own gaming stuff. Not really. I mean, I do, but I don't. Bought this guy recently, so this is the only like gaming laptop stuff I have. Anyway, the headphones are the point of the video. So, enough about the build. Let's get into the sound. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and test the audio of the onboard microphone. So right now you're hearing the audio of my Audio-Technica 2020 USB microphone, the one I've used in all my videos. You've heard it before, so let's just cut to these right now. So this is what they sound like, and to me they sound like your typical gamer mic, or at least what I perceive to be a typical gamer mic, where it's not a top-notch quality. And when I say gamer mic, I'm not talking like YouTube gamer. It's like when friends are gaming together and they just use whatever microphone is attached to their headphones. So they're okay, but not great. Do I like it? Not really. I don't know what it'd be like when you're playing a game, because it might be good enough for conversing with someone while playing a game. So I'm just going to cut right to some things I noticed just from using this. The little volume switch doesn't really have anything to do with how much sound that you're inputting. When I hit the mute switch, so hitting the mute switch, so that time I didn't hear the little bit of static that I heard from the other time I did this. Maybe we'll hear it if I unmute. So maybe you guys heard it, but I didn't hear it in my ear cups this time. Now if you're noticing that I've changed shirts, it's because I was stupid and forgot a key part for this video after I did. It doesn't matter. Figured you probably would want to hear how these sound. So I'm going to start with the headphones in question, and I do have the volume turned all the way up on here. If these would rotate, this wouldn't be as much of a problem. That's just one sample, so now I'm going to switch over to the Audio-Technica headphones that I personally prefer. I don't know if you can hear the difference in how the Audio-Technica ones sound versus these Xiberia headphones or Jeecoo. So yeah, back to the rest of the video. If you like the sound of these and you're thinking about getting these, or maybe you just want a cheap pair of headphones that do some relatively decent RGB stuff because you want to look like a gamer on a low budget, you can actually pick these up on Amazon for like 20 bucks. Keep that in mind for the level of audio quality you're hearing. In conclusion, can I recommend these? I mean, if you want gaming headphones for cheap, sure. If you expect a good sound out of these, I would rather you just go ahead and get a pair of Audio-Technica HM50s. This particular pair, yeah, there's a wire, is the Bluetooth variety, but if you want a headphone recommendation from me, these are it. And quite frankly, I think these are more comfortable than these. Like, ow. They kind of start pressing in on my ears a little bit, whereas these, it's almost like tiny little pillows. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I really doubt you did. You can give it a big thumbs up, you can subscribe to my respective channels, and see my previous video in the end card, and I'll see you guys next time.